In today's video, I want to show you this beautiful ad from Micromax featuring the beautiful and extremely good looking Hugh Jackman. This, as he says, is the slimmest phone ever. Micromax, in case you're unaware, is one of the biggest players in the smartphone market in India, and today not only has it does it have a supreme ranking in India, but across the world as well. It's making its mark, and that is one of the reasons that it has signed on Hugh Jackman as its brand ambassador. And huge ad, full page ad in today's Times of India. And turning the page, I want to show you that the ad is even bigger. It's actually a double spread ad that you can see him, Hugh Jackman, in all his splendor. Such a fine actor and one of my absolute favorites. Amazing guy. There he is. And here you can see the lightest phone ever. This is the Canvas Sliver 5 from Micromax. Nothing like anything, as they say. Micromax Canvas Sliver 5. Once again, I'll just show you the entire ad in all its glory there. And I'll turn the page. The ad is still not over. It's a huge ad. 4 pages. And here you can see the slimmest, the lightest, yet fully loaded from Micromax. Nothing like anything. Some features, as you can see: download, upload, repeat. Incredibly fast 4G LTE. Don't just shoot, show off. Do more at once. Designed to prove its mettle. With great desirability comes great power. So that gives you an idea of the processor which is there. For those who never give up, there's a 2000 milliamp hours high density lithium polymer battery. Then it's light in weight, heavy on substance. Listen to the beats, loud and clear. Dirac HD sound for enhanced clarity. Fall in love with yourself. Then it's talking about the camera. Hard to spot, tough to miss, exceptionally slim design. It's all about the bass. There you go with the amplifier. Then it talks about the resolution, the colors, the screen. Then it talks about tough yet sleek. It features Corning Gorilla Glass 3 on both front and back. Then the slimmest comes with the latest, so that you've got the latest Android Lollipop version 5. Just like a friend indeed, it's got this M Assist 7-day service. Twice as nice, free double data on 4G and 3G on Airtel. So that's the Canvas Sliver 5, available at all leading mobile outlets. And it gives you an idea of all the outlets. There are numerous outlets. This is simply talking about the ones across Delhi and beyond in the adjoining areas. But otherwise, Micromax has a very good spread of all its outlets and service centers across India and beyond. So once again, I just want to highlight this beautiful advertisement from Micromax, spread across 4 pages of today's Times of India, featuring the amazing Hugh Jackman, Wolverine. And beautiful, beautiful. There he is. And the lightest phone ever, Canvas Sliver 5 from Micromax. So there you go. Thanks for watching.